See how to solve the logical equivalent statements very easily. Okay, so logical equivalent statements. So when we try to solve the logical equivalent statements, we have to see for two things. One is quantity and one is quality. So in quantity we get all and some. In quality we get positive and negative. In all we get like all, that is a, no, that is e. I mean to say that is we have ae igo proportions. A is all or this. E means no or this. I means some or this. O means some or not this. These boxes indicate some arbitrary things. So here it can be anything: cat, rat, mouse, pen, pencil, eraser. Doesn't matter for us. So what matters for us is only these things. Okay. What matters for is only these things. This all, this all, no, or this all, no, or full quantities, and this sum means some and some not. That is I and or some quantities that we have to remember. And these positive ones, these negative ones are no, not, none, none, and etc. If you see these kind of things, these are negative ones, and if you don't see these in the statements, those are positive ones. This is a basic understanding. And one more thing we have to identify, one more thing we have to remember in here is that is this thing, very basic wala mathematics. So that is plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus. So this is also we have to remember thoroughly. Okay, only with these kind of things we can go for solving problems. So let us solve the problem once, you will understand. So now first, in any problem we have to check two things. Step 1 is to check quantity, and step 2 is quality. Okay, first let us check the quantity and fix up which all things has to be kept and which all things has to be eliminated. Now you see here it is all means full quantity, all full quantity, no full quantity. And if you see sum is some quantity. So this statement can be eliminated because you can see all means full quantity, because we can see all is full quantity, sum is some quantity. This is belongs to different category itself. So that is why we are removing this statement. We are completely avoiding this statement. Now among the left out statements we have to check for the quality. Now quality is positive, negative. So here you see cats, there is no negative term, so positive. Here you can see carnivorous, there is no negative term, so it is positive again. Here negative term is there, so it is negative. Here also negative term is there, it is negative. Here no negative term, so it is, here also negative term is there, so negative. Here also negative term is there, so negative. So let us now fix up the value of the statement. So plus into plus is plus positive, minus into minus is plus positive, and here plus into minus into minus, here also it is negative, right? Yeah, so minus into minus is again positive. So all the here in this A, B, C, all the quantities are also same, quality is also same. So ABC should be the right answer. So ABC is right answer. Hope you are getting it. Now let us do a quick for that. Here also let us check for the quantity first. Next check for the quality. So let us see, check for the quantity. Sum. So all the three are available and this is full. All is full. So eliminating this all. So that is not our concern. Now let us check for the statement value. Negative because none is there, none is there. So positive because no not is there. So positive, and here also it is positive. So positive plus positive, negative plus negative is positive, positive plus positive is positive, positive plus positive is positive. So answer should be A, B, C. So quantities and qualities are matching. So A, B, C, option 3 is the right answer. Now let us look for the next one. So first of all, what we have to do is quantity, then we will go for quantity, right? Then we will go for quality. So let us check sum. So all the quantities is same. So we have to check for the quality for everything. This beverage is positive. This not is there, so negative. So beverage is positive. Here also it is positive. Non is there, so negative. Not non is there. Two negatives, again it becomes positive. So it is positive. Here it is positive. Here it is negative. So now let us go for the valuing it. Positive plus negative is negative. Positive plus positive is positive. Negative plus positive is negative. Positive plus negative is negative. So if you see here, yeah, not this negative, this positive, negative, positive, this also positive plus positive plus negative is negative. Okay, now if we see here, we have negative, three statements negative, right, with same quantity and same quality. So which is ACD is the right answer, option 4. Now let us go for this also. Which of the following? First we have to check for the quantity. Don't forget that here all no sum, so we can remove C because of the sum. Now let us go for identifying, giving the value for that. So positive, answer is positive, answer is positive. Here it is negative, answer is positive. So here we have three positives and three things, three quantity equal, three quality equal. So but there is no option like ACD, there is no option like ABD. So we have to, so now what we have to do is, after seeing this, now what we have to check is, if you have this kind of clashes, now we have to check for the position of this. So here cow is in first position, herbivorous in second position. Here herbivorous in first position, cow is in second position. Here cow is in first position, herbivorous in second position. So cow is in first position and here also, here also. So cow is in first position and here also, here also. So but in this B, first position is not cow, so option A and D will be the correct answer. So AD is the right answer. So first, after checking quantity and quality, then plus into plus is plus this rule. After that, check for position. Okay, now let us go for the last one. First we have to check for the quantity. So no, all are full positive, fine. I mean all are full, and this is negative because of no is negative. Human beings are women, this is positive. All is positive, this is negative, this is negative, this is also negative, this is negative, this is also negative. So values is negative, here also negative, here is positive, here is also positive. So two negatives, two positives we got. So when we have this kind of clash, what we have to do? We have to check for positioning, right? So dishonest in the first position, we'll check for these two first. here woman is in the first position, dishonest is in the second position, so these two doesn't match. Here we'll check, woman is in the first position, woman is in the first position, dishonest second position, dishonest second position, so these two will match. So option CD will be the right answer. So that's it. By following this quantity, quality rule and then positioning, it seems to be bigger process, but when we are doing it is very easy. So within just 20 seconds you can solve, right? Very easy one. With this kind of rules, following these rules, we can solve logical equivalent very easily for the uses in an exam. All the best. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. So like, share and